I am carrying on this trend, 5 things that are worth the money, Disney travel specific edition. I will do 5 things worth your bougie Disney dollars when I'm there, but today's all about traveling. Number 1 is your carry-on / your luggage system. BagSmart is new to me, and I've spent the last several days packing, refining, and repacking using the luggage cubes, the packing cubes that also align with this really beautiful color because they expand. I've never seen packing cubes expand before. I have linked both of them in my ShopMy, but I am very impressed with this system so far. You know me. I am a bougie brand girly, especially when it comes to travel accessories, and I've done Away, I've done Monos. I come back to my level 8 luggage, the tall one. Love her. I think this new BagSmart might replace some of my older, more beloved carry-ons. So your luggage system is number 1, and you will never catch me complaining about spending money on luggage. It's worth it if you travel a lot. Ew. Number 2 is my Ever After pouch. Now, you could have an Ever After pouch, you could have the Castle Bound collection, Elite. I put a little castle charm on mine. She is chock full. I have a pouch in a pouch here, and this bag is going in a bag. It's like bag inception. She is chock full of all of my plane / park necessities. I'm gonna do a full what's in her while I'm in Disney parks. Stay tuned for that. If you're interested in the fall / holiday drop that may or may not be Disney, I haven't decided yet. You tell me in the comments what you'd like. The wait list is in my bio. We had to move locations because this umbrella just really wants to be friends with us. Number 3 is pre-check at the airport. Some type of you get to cut the line, pre-check, clear, whatever that may be. It takes the stress away from traveling anywhere, especially traveling with littles to Disney. Number 4, you need a trolley pass-through. Umbrella. You need one. I don't care what bag you have. This bag happens to be, I think, $20 from Target, and it folds up into itself. I have also taken this to the beach. It has a pocket, it has interior pockets. Something that comes with a trolley luggage holder, so that way you can be hands-free while you're pulling your carry-on in the airport. Also, might I note, just kind of a sidebar, if you can get a bag that folds up into itself, it means that potentially you could just put one of these inside your luggage and then fill it up with all kinds of Disney souvenirs on the way home. I'm looking for patches. Number 5, you need a water bottle. You need a reusable water bottle. I would recommend a smaller over a larger, and I know that's a hot take because especially us bariatric girls, we need the most water that you can get, especially in Florida heat where you're sweaty, you're active, you're outside of your normal routine. This is only 16 ounces, but you'll refill it. You're gonna get the big one, the 40-ounce one. It's gonna weigh 1,000,000 pounds, and you're gonna have to carry it like a schlep through the parks and through the airport. Get the little one, and if you can get a bag, okay, this is not an ad for this bag though. Comes with a pocket on the side. Girl, not only is it cute, these two things are cute together. Not only is it cute, it's chic, it's functional, and you're gonna be hydrated. Stay tuned for more. And I just thought of a bonus 6th item. You need some type of sweater or cashmere wrap if we're going fancy. I have my Vineyard Vines one in here because you're cold faster than everyone else. Airplanes, restaurants, you're gonna be freezing inside the air conditioning. Bring yourself a lovely, luxurious wrap so you feel chic too. Okay, bye.